Long ago, where the Tigris and Euphrates rivers flowed in parallel, there was a land known as the cradle of human civilization. There the Sumerians not only built ancient cities, but also preserved the mysteries of our own origins. They told a story that has never been revealed in modern books. They believed that humans were not simply products of nature, but the result of a project created by entities from the sky. The land between the two rivers was not only fertile, but also contained the first breakthroughs of mankind. The Sumerians created cuneiform writing, the wheel, mathematics, and astronomy, tools that changed the world. However, in their alphabets and legends, they told more than just about their achievements. A big question arises. Why did they claim that they were not alone on this earth? Thousands of clay tablets reveal a history like no other. The story of gods coming down from above to shape the fate of mankind. According to Sumerian epics, the Anunnaki were not gods to be worshipped. They were powerful beings from the sky, ruling and influencing human life. Anu, the supreme god, was the head of the sky Enki, the bearer of knowledge and life, and Little, the powerful god of the sky. Legend has it that they came to exploit a precious resource, gold, which sustained their world. Not out of pity, but out of a need for labor, they created humans to serve as tools. Andy, the mythical scientist, did not want to create humans simply like other creatures. He used ancient biotechnology, combining the DNA of the gods with the native creatures of the earth. The clay tablet describes the scene of holding the seed of life, kneading the clay and mixing the blood. The birth of humans was not a miracle, but the result of a sophisticated biological experiment. Is this an early description of modern mythologized genetic technology? In Sumerian legends, the Great Flood is recorded in detail. The character Zuzudru or Adnabishtim is warned by the god Enki of the disaster and builds an ark to survive. Similar legends appear in the Bible with Noah, and in other cultures it is theorized that the Great Flood was the gods' way of wiping out a failed experiment when humans got out of control. If these stories all refer to the same real event, what was it? Not only in Mesopotamia, many other cultures also tell stories about the creation of humans from clay or mud. The Egyptian god Khnum molded humans from clay. The Greek god Prometheus created humans from mud. The Maya in the Americas told of the cycle of destruction and rebirth of the world over and over again. The Sumerians may not have been the first civilization. They may have been the ones who passed on the memory of an older civilization that spread throughout the world. Some researchers believe that the memories of the gods are passed down, not only through legends, but also through our DNA. A form of genetic memory, the ancient astronaut group believes that the Anunnaki were actually aliens who came to exploit resources and created humans as labor tools. This explains the sudden leap in human intelligence and civilization. The Sumerian myth is not just a legend, but also a special piece in harmony with dozens of stories from different cultures around the world, all of which show one thing: humans may not be random, but the product of gods that do not belong to the earth. So the remaining question is, are we descendants of ancient gods, or just the result of a biological experiment that we no longer remember?